just thought I'd show you how to put the flower together, particularly for my Lillie the doll. All right, so all you need to do is, you've got your flower there, you've actually got it already there. So you pull that there to pull it tight so it's making it round, okay? And then you're just going to slip it, do slip stitches here. So basically go through there, oops, not got it, through there. Have to catch it, make sure you catch it, yeah. So through there like that, pull it through, and then pull it tight. There we go, as easy as this. So then just catch it through there like that, and just stitch that and put it to the end there, and then you can weave in your ends. There we go. And then just all you're going to do is come across and you're going to weave in that end, but you can actually sew it in, to be fair. There you go. And then go back, just make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. So there you go. And then that's your flower done. And then you're going to weave in this end. So basically that's the flower for the Lillie doll.